What's up, guys? This is Josh with West Tech Pros. Today we are talking about SSDs. Now, we just did a video on hard drives. If you ain't seen that yet, go check that out. And today we are going to be talking about what an SSD is, what they do, what the differences are between them and hard drives. Today's video is brought to you by no one, because I don't have sponsors. I'm a new YouTube channel. Alright, first and foremost, the main difference between an SSD and a hard drive is a mechanical drive. It has moving parts in it. An SSD, known as a solid state drive, does not have any moving parts. It's basically the same as a flash drive, where it has electrical impulses that go into it and then write the data onto a NAND flash module. Now, since this is just electrical impulses sent through, it makes the read and write speeds much faster than a mechanical drive, which means faster load times, faster navigation through your operating system, faster boot times, which is one of the main sellers for an SSD. Your computer will start up in about 20 seconds. Now, the issues with SSDs is they cost more than a mechanical drive. A 1 terabyte SSD like this one runs about $99. You can get a 1 terabyte mechanical drive for about $45. Now, these are worth it though, whenever you're looking for that faster speed, and they are a world of difference whenever you're running around on your computer and searching stuff, and when you're browsing through your files and folders, and just turning your computer off and on is a world of difference with it. You have your same connectors. You have your data connector and you have your SATA power connector, just the same as the mechanical drive. It's the same as the mechanical drive here. They have the same types of connectors. These are both SATA 3 ports. This is their official name. There are other types of SSDs out there. There are some that are DRAMless, which is where the SSD does not have a dedicated RAM or random access memory, which means that it doesn't have that cache store like most hard drives should, and it will actually make it much slower. When you buy an SSD, what you want to get is one with DRAM. Now, most of them, like these, the P and Y, they will come with DRAM. Now, there's other types of SSDs out there that look different. There are ones that are a lot smaller and they screw directly to the motherboard. Those are called M.2 SSDs or NVMe SSDs. And those are much faster, and they are also much more expensive than a regular SSD. But a good point of these is saving space. You don't have to worry about having a hard drive sticking in somewhere in your computer. It's just screwed directly to your motherboard. And another good part is the speed increase goes from about 500 megabytes per second to around 2 to 3 gigabytes a second on the read and write speeds, depending on which drive you get. All the drives, different brands, boast different speeds and things like that, so you have to really pay attention to the quality of the brand you're getting and what you trust as far as your brand. Do you want to get Western Digital? Do you want to get Samsung? Do you want to get a P&Y? What do you trust? And what good reviews can you find out there? Those are the more important things as far as finding something in your price range that will keep you happy down the road. This is just a quick part of the video to show you how fast an SSD can boot up. But this has been a short little video on what SSDs are and what they can do and why you should want one. Once again, this is Josh, and you've been watching West Tech Pros, and I hope y'all have a good day. Please like and subscribe for more videos.